Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I trust God you all are doing great. Today I'm here with another sewing project, but before that, if you're new to my channel, you're very warmly welcome. Just go ahead and subscribe so you can get all the further updates related with this channel. You're gonna learn here sewing, cooking and DIY projects. If you are already a regular subscriber, I'm sure you're already enjoying all the wonderful projects over here. So our today project is very interesting and I was so pleased and blessed to get done with this project. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this adorable walker hanging pockets. This project was a special requirement from my client, and I tried to find bunch of videos, so I can have some idea, but I couldn't find. So that's why I decided to share this project over my YouTube channel so many can learn this adorable project. I will put all the measurements on a description box so you can follow them step by step. So let's start our today's sewing project. Okay, so the main stuff which we have needed for this project, we have needed two jeans fabric patches. You can use any fabric, it's up to you. 9.5 inches by 9. I have cut already two patches here. And then for pocket, we need 7.5 inches by 7, two patches. You simply have to cut them out, okay, and then just fold it 1/2 inch on four corners, okay. And after that, if you see, I just have to stitch 1/4 inch distance all around my patch. And for top, I have did double stitch. One is a 1/4 inch and one is a right around the edge. And if you see on the back, it's like so neat. And you can use any patch of fabric on one pocket. I am using this little, the American flag patch, which I also have used a cotton on the back. Okay, so that's our one pocket I already have prepared to attach, and other one I will show you how to do that. And then you need a velcro for attachment. You can use any buttonhole or whatever you have in your hand, okay. And then I have here the binder, which I already prepared, and I already have a teach in my videos how to make it very simply. I have just cut 2.5 inch strap. If you want to attach binder pieces together, I also teach on my videos, so I will put link in the description box, and simply just fold that patch together and make your own binder. Okay, so the first step which we are going to do, we are taking our bigger patches, and I am just going to sew them from center, okay. So when I'm going to sew them from center, that will be our top, okay. That's how we're gonna hang our pocket for walker. So just go ahead and sew them from center, and after that I am going to first attach our binder. So in that way our base will be already prepared. So let's set our sewing machine now. The next step is I'm gonna add a binder around my this patch which we just sewed together. And if you see how I have opened the seams by pressing them separately, so that will make a less bulkiness around the edges. So that's why we had opened this. So now let's go ahead and start adding binder. Also I have stitched my other pocket as well around the sides. So now our this pocket is also ready to attach with our this patch, but the first we're going to add the binder. And after adding a binder, then I will use a velcro on a back so our seams could be hidden under the pocket, so that's why I want to attach first this one, then I will attach pockets. So our binder is done, like a half of project almost is done. So the next process, I'm going to use this Velcro. I have cut 1.5 inches pieces, and I just gonna sew them around these corners. I have marked it. Okay, and they are 2.5 inches distance from my seam allowance. So simply just go and check the rod of your walker hanger. Okay, put this patch on top of that and measure from sides, and you can see how much flexibility and movement you need with your bag or hanging pocket. So I'm just taking randomly 2.5 inches, and I'm sure that will be good for her walker. And now I'm just going to sew them, and then we will attach our pockets. Stay tuned. Okay, so here our base is prepared after using Volcker or two. Now simply our patch is good to sew the pockets on both sides, as we already have prepared the base for these pockets as well. So we are just going to sew around the edges, and then our walker hanging pockets will be done. And also I will put the center stitch on a center for phone, and I will see how much space it's gonna take, because the small pocket we can just use for the pens or the pencils on the side. The next step is I'm just going to make a small pocket on a side and the phone pocket on other side. So all I just going to stitch from a center, and then our one side will be done, and then I'm going to stitch other side. And here is our walker hanging pocket is ready. I'm so pleased with the finishing look because she had just asked me for phone pocket, but she will have little, the pen or little diary hanging, and she's very patriotic person, so I'm sure she's gonna appreciate the flag and the Made in USA logo on that. So I hope you get inspired by our today project. And as you can see, we have created this adorable, beautifully walker hanging pockets. And now you can see it's easy to grab your cell phone. You can have your pens or diary, and these pockets are easy to reach out. Okay, and there's another thing, you can increase the size of pockets or decrease it. It's up to you. As I have created my own pattern, and I have used a velcro for openings, but you can even use ribbons on a side to tie around the side. You can use even a buttonholes, and there's just so many variety of ways to create this project. I'm sure you get inspired by our today project. If you really like our today video, please give this video huge thumbs up so I can keep continually sharing more DIY sewing cooking projects over my channel. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. I love you all. God bless you all. Be safe wherever you are, and have a lovely fabulous day. Bye bye.